So looking at homework number 20, we want to find all the zeros of a given polynomial. And these are the coefficients that came from the polynomial. And if you look at the equation, there are no missing powers, so we don't have to fill in any zeros. So let's begin the synthetic division process. And if you have the homework in front of you, you'll see that we have quite a handful of x-intercepts. One of them is located at 1, 0. So I want to try synthetic division with 1. And if you look at the graph, it's actually a double root. So let's do synthetic division twice with the number 1. Up next, if you look at the graph, maybe we can continue with, how about the number -2? Again, the order doesn't matter. I'm just looking at the x-intercepts that are given on the graph. So with -2, so we got a remainder of 0. And next, why don't we try the number 5? Okay, that worked out well. And maybe up next we can try, let's see, what else do we have on the graph? How about the number -1.25? Okay, so we got a remainder of 0. That was a typo there and there. So let's see. And what else? Oh, you know what? We can actually use the number -2. We can do it again, because if you look at the graph, -2 is a double root. So I'm glad that that actually happened, that I didn't notice that initially. I'm glad that that happened, because now it lets you see that the numbers can be done in any order. So now let's throw in -2 yet again. So we've reached this point. We have exhausted the list of the x-intercepts that were given to us, and we're left with these numbers here. Now we can reduce them all by 4 to get 1, 0, and 3. And going from right to left, we can build our polynomial. The remainder, you ignore it. From right to left, 3 is your constant. 0 receives x, 1 receives x squared. So the equation that we are left with is x squared plus 3. That equation then gets set equal to 0. And you solve that equation. Do what we've been doing in class. And these are the remaining zeros that were to be found. And now if you want, you can make your list of zeros, which include all of these and these ones there.